Hello everyone, and in this session I'm going to start off with the configurations of SAP S4 HANA Logistics, and this is a real-time configuration that I'm doing it, and we'll go for step by step from the basic configurations starting with the company code, and let's start off on the system. So we'll be going initially with the SPRO transaction, and then we'll do the configurations, and I'm going to show everything on the system now. So we are going into the SPRO transaction here, and I'd be a bit quick in this doing this, and then maybe we can discuss later in detail in the overall session. So I went into SPRO transaction. Here we are going into enterprise structure. In the enterprise structure, we need to go to the definitions, and in the definitions we'll have the financial controlling, and in the financial controlling we have something called edit company, delete, check company code. This is the first and foremost important thing that we have to configure. We just need to define a company code. So for that we'll click on edit company code, and then we have new entries. We'll be clicking on new entries, and here I'll be giving something like JHS JHSO 50. So here basically we can give 6 letters, four letters only. So we have JHS1. I'll give JHS1, and then we have JH Softech, and the company and the city is Hyderabad, and then country is India, and currency is INR, and language is EN. I'm saving this now. So this is what we have to save here. So once we have clicked on the save, it'll give you the more details. We need to give more details. I'm giving some Mr., and then we have giving something like Aditya, the name, and M, and then we have to go for so we can give more details. So Vikram, and then we can go for search term. Search term is like, basically if you want to search for a particular guy like SAP architect. I'm just giving it randomly, but we can give more meaningful kind of business data, which we'll do it later. So we can give any pin code, and the country is India. It's mandatory here, and just once we do this and just say okay, we'll go for this, and then click on the create. And in this we are creating a new request new request for SAP S4 HANA logistics configuration and yeah, that's it. And then say save. There's a new request that gets created, and I'm going to tell you in detail about what is this request number all about, and what exactly is the significance of this request number in another session. So once it's done, okay, so click on save here. So once the company code is successfully saved, we need to go back and start the configurations of the logistics level. So this is what I'm closing it here. And once it's been done, we need to go to the logistics general. Before going into the sales and distribution, we'll go to the logistics general, and then we'll go for define, copy, or delete check plant. So I'm clicking on this, and define plant. We need to define a plant and go for new entries. And in the new entries, we'll give something like JHS1 again. I'm keeping the everything as JHS1. It's easy for us to remember, and get this configurations at this point of time. Softech plant 1. Okay, and then we can just go for Hyderabad plant, and then just click on save here. Again, it will ask you for the details, and in this we have giving Mr., and the plant head is like something like Panyan, and then we'll give the search term is something like a manager. And once it's been done, okay, I'm giving the country as India. These are the mandatory things that we are to be giving here, and rest of the things are like we need to fill them, but those are not mandatory. I'm ignoring at this point of time, and just say okay. So here, yeah, I'm continuing everything on the same request number. Say okay, and once it's been done, click on save here. So we need to successfully save this plant here. Once the plant has been successfully saved, this is the plant that we have here. Come back and back again. And once the plant has been done, we have to click on the define location. We need to define the location, go for the new entries, and then I'm giving the location as the plant location. I will select the plant here. The plant that we have created just now is JHS1. 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 And once it's been done, okay, so this is a plant. We have to give the plant which is already existing. Then we have to go for Hyderabad. Okay, I'll give the location as something like HYD. HYD is the location. You can give any location. So Hyderabad location, and then click on save. And now we are creating a location here. The company and you can give MS. Okay, I'm giving MS here. MS for Hyderabad location. Manager, and then giving the search term as something like um, Gachibowli, and then the currency is the country is India. And yeah, we can give other details as well, but I'm just going ahead with this basic configurations, basic requirements. So we have successfully created the location, and we also have assigned it a plant called JHS1. And once it's been done, we come back and then we go for division. So we can also create a division. So division also plays a major role. So define division, and then we'll click on this, and we'll create the division as JHS1 again. And Softech division 1, and then say okay, save, and then say okay. And once it's been done, come back, and once it's been this has been done, come back again, and you will be seeing those that the division is successfully created. I mean, like, you can also check that. You can check. So I did. So here you will have that division which we have created. This is a JH, actually, JH division. So a division name can be only of 2 letters. So that's the reason only JH has been saved. So we have made sure that it has been created, and the created division is JH. These are the basic, logistics general configurations that we have to do in the definition part. And then we had to go ahead and, assign this to the, the company code. So we'll go for the, then we'll go for the assignments here. In the assignments, we'll go with the logistics general. And in the logistics general, we have to first go to the assign plant to company code. So that's the most important thing. We have to select that, and we just need to click on this new entries. And once we have clicked on the new entries, you will find this, and you have to select a company code which is already existing. And the existing company code that we have created just now is JHS1. So we just need to select that here. So JHS1, this is the config, this is the one. And plant also we have selected as JHS1. You can also, yeah, the moment you type JH, automatically it will show up the, all the plants that are starting with JH. So it's JHS1. Just say enter, and you'll get all the other details. And status also you'll get, and status is blank as of now. Just click on save, and we are saving it on the same request number. Once it's been saved, this is successfully saved, and come back. And once it's been done, your plant is been actually linked with the company code that we actually have to do now. So the company code and the plant have been linked now. So we'll come back. This has been successfully done. Now, if we have created a business area, we can assign that business area to the plant, and valuation area and division as well. So we have not created a business area, but yes, we have created a division. So and valuation area also we can define it. But as of now, we have created a division. So division can be linked to the plant here. So at this level, so we'll go for that. and in this like plant and division, so we'll go for that plant and division new entries. And here the plant name is, I'll just type as JH, and you can see this JH is one plant. And the business area, we don't have the business area as such here, so we just have this division. So we'll go for JH is the division, so select that. And if at all if you have the business area as well, then we can create this here. The business area can be created at the enterprise structure level, so we can create that and we can come back and we can use that here. As of now we have these two things, so I'm clicking on save. So it's been successfully saved here, and then we can come back and yeah, so you can see that we can click on the position and we can just type the name as JHS1 and check whether it's been properly configured, or the division has been assigned or not. Since we have assigned, we have defined the plant as well as the division, both will be available here. But whereas a business area was not created here, so we didn't assign it, so that's missing here. Okay, fine. So we'll come back here. Okay, so we'll come back, and then once it's been done, okay, whenever we have created a valuation area, we can link that with the division, and we also can link the plant valuation with division. All these things we can do it later. So yeah, so we have done the plant and division link up, and then we have the business area, sales, plant and all. So those things we'll do it later. So these are the configurations which we do at the logistics level. And we can also have basically have done it with the enterprise level. So what we have done is, first we have created the the edit company delete check company code. So this is what we have done first, and that is under the enterprise structure. In the enterprise structure we have the division definition. In the definition we have financial accounting. In the financial accounting we have went into the edit copy delete check company code. So we have clicked that and we selected that, and we created a company code. That company code was JHS1. And then we created the plant, and then we created the location, and we created the check division, and then we assigned the plant to the company code, and then we assigned the division to the business area. These are the basic configurations that we have done in this till now. Thanks for watching this video, and this was a practical session that we are doing on the SAP S4 HANA 170 server. If at all, if you're looking for complete SAP S4 HANA trainings on any of the modules, do contact us at info@jsoftech.com. I've seen a lot of people trying to learn everything from online. Please do not waste your time searching for materials here and there. Yes, this video is very much helpful for you to recollect all the things that we have discussed in the training part. But if at all if you start learning online on your own, it might be a bit confusing. I suggest you to go with one particular trainer who can train you from the basics, and then we can go ahead with from there. So these are all for just to recollect the configurations that we have done. And yeah, so do subscribe and uh, share our videos whenever you like it, and do click on the like button. And yeah, our channel would be www.youtube.com/jsoftech, and your subscriptions, your sharing and your likes is what encourages us to do more better videos and present it to you all in a better way. Okay, thanks for watching this video again, and have a great day. Thank you.